Hey environmental science students, we're going to do some population density problems. So that's just where you're going to look for the population size and divide it by the area that population is in. So pretty straightforward, but one of the things that can be tricky is if you're working with large numbers, like in this one. Okay, so in this problem, it says the Amazon rainforest has an area of about 6.7 million kilometers squared. If a certain species of monkey has a population of 560,000 individuals, what is the average population density of these monkeys? So when I'm setting up these problems, it's sometimes helpful to be thinking about what units you want to end up with. So for population density, it's individuals over area. So monkeys per square kilometer would give us area. And you can check to make sure it's right. And then you know that you have to set it up so that monkeys are on the top and square kilometers are on the bottom. Okay, so far so good. But then we need to check and see which numbers are going to go in here. So we have large numbers to work with, 6.7 million. And there's a little note here that a million can be written out with all 6 zeros or with an E6. So this is a way that some computers and calculators take care of scientific notation. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. You just put the letter E and then the number 6, and then it will correct it for you that it's E plus 06. So that's like a little programming language for how some computers write scientific notation to represent that those 6 zeros are coming after those numbers. And that would be an accepted answer written out on the AP exam too. So that was this kilometer squared. And then the monkeys, 560,000 individuals. I'm going to show you the other way to write that one out. So 560 and then 1,000 means it has 3 zeros after it. So 1, 2, 3. And you can just check that that looks correct, that it accepts both of those answers. And then I'm going to show you on the Desmos Calculator, which pops up on the Bluebook app, so you can be practicing writing things on there. You're also welcome to use your own calculator too. But if I wanted to write 560,000 divided by, I just did a slash on my computer, but if you need the keyboard, you can pull up that too. And then on this one, instead of writing it out with that E notation, you can do times 10 and then use this little button to make an exponent, times 10 to the 6th power. So I have 560,000 monkeys. You can see the little space for the thousands. Divided by 6.7 times 10 to the 6th square kilometers. And here's my answer, 0.08358. So I'm going to put our answer over here, 84, and check and make sure, and that's correct. So we're all set. I'm going to show in another video how to set up some unit analysis problems for population density.